In this video, we'll be covering replacing the wiper cleaner. When you receive a warning message for wiper cleaner replacing color or wiper cleaner replacing white, you'll need to perform the following tasks. First, ensure that you have the number of wiper cleaners needed to perform the replacement task. For example, if the printer is prompting you for both white and color replacements, you'll need 2, which is normally what will come in the one replacement pack. If you do not have the wiper cleaners, you should contact your dealer or your parts department to purchase a set. The part number for the wiper cleaner replacement set is SB6673001. The set will come with a pair of gloves, which you may use during the replacement process, or you may use your own preferred latex gloves. Take note that the wiper cleaners have expiration dates that you should verify before using to be sure that they are within date. Only use consumables that will be used up before the end of the expiry month on the package. The dates are located both on the individual wiper packages and also on the carton they come in. To continue from standby, we'll press the down arrow until we have maintenance highlighted and then press OK. In the sub-menu, we will scroll down until maintenance parts clean replace is highlighted and press OK. Here again, a list of the warning messages that need to be cleared during the maintenance part clean replace process will be displayed. If the list is longer than 4 items, you'll need to press OK more than once. Ensure that the wiper cleaner replacing message for the white or color is among the messages displayed. We'll be focusing on these items only, though all items need to be completed once the process is started. You can proceed as mentioned previously by pressing OK to move past the list. You'll need to press OK once more to begin the maintenance part replacement process. The plat will move in and out and the carriage will park in the flushing position. You'll be notified that you have 20 minutes to complete any pending items for the maintenance process, inclusive of the wiper cleaner replacement that we will be focusing on in this video. Be prepared to complete all items in the allotted time. Push and hold the power button for 1 second and you will hear a beep letting you know you can release the button. Now that the printer is off, we can proceed to opening the lid of the printer to access the cap and wiper area. Before proceeding to exchange the wiper cleaners, it is best to always look at the internal area of the printer in regards to the back CR rail, rollers, and guide shaft to judge the level of ink mist buildup they may have, and if it is time for periodic maintenance. There's a separate video for cleaning the internal area of the printer, which this information is also located in the manual. This is only a reminder of this instance for being a good time to check the ink mist buildup in your machine. To remove the old wiper cleaner, reach into the printer and grab it at the indicated finger latch and lift towards the right until the cleaner is straight up. Then lift the wiper cleaner straight upwards and out of the printer. We will repeat this process for the other wiper cleaner. Please be sure to dispose of the wiper cleaners as waste ink material in accordance with your local waste management policies. Now take a new wiper cleaner that was unboxed earlier and open its sealed bag at the indentation. Remove the wiper cleaner which is currently inside of its protector. Then remove it from its protector by pulling the gray wiper cleaner away from the white protective casing. Be mindful not to touch the sponge pad with your fingers during this entire process, as it can deposit debris on the wiper or dry an area of the wiper cleaner faster. Now note the 2 shafts near the bottom of the sponge. They will line up with the notch holes in the side of the black flushing box. Take the wiper cleaner and insert the shafts straight down into the notch arms of the flushing box. Fold the wiper down to the left and push where the words "push" indicator is located. You will hear an audible click letting you know the wiper is locked into place. We will repeat this process for the other wiper cleaner. It is important to know that once you open a wiper cleaner from its sealed bag, that it has to go into use immediately. Never open a cleaner and leave it sitting out. Again, anything that has used ink product, including the protector or sealed bag, will need to be disposed of properly, along with the cleaner in accordance with applicable laws and ordinances. Here is the seating process via diagram. Seat the shaft down into the notches and fold leftward. Push until you hear the click. You can now fully close the lid. With both wiper cleaners installed, we can now power the machine back on to clear the maintenance prompt for replacement. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brothergtg.com/help for further assistance.